Hi, my name is Letty Rosedall, and I'd like to share with you the report of my $100 challenge that I've been doing the past few weeks for the class. It was a business called Typing LLC. Our motto is clean keyboard, clean typing. What we do is clean keyboards. To put it more professionally, Clear Typing is a Boise, Idaho-based company. We provide keyboard cleaning to residential, commercial, and business clients. We use earth-friendly products to disinfect and polish computer keyboards, leaving them looking new and germ-free. The tools we use is this eco-friendly all-purpose cleaner. These are microfiber towels. And this over here, I actually did buy this from Office Depot, and then I bought packs of them from Amazon for much cheaper, of cans of air that are great for getting out the little dust particles and the cracks that you can't see. What we did for advertising was mainly on social media platforms. I used Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat, posted on these, and the best source of advertising I had was actually done by word of mouth. So I put down there an example was I told my mom and my mom told her friend, then her friend would tell her friend, and I felt like that just having someone else tell someone, kind of like a testimonial, was a better way to get the word out there than just social media. And also church members, telling other church members worked really well as well about the quality of it and the good deal of it. I'd like to go over the more sad part about it was the losses. The initial investment was $20, as you know, and I just got that out of my wallet. That was just funded by me personally. I didn't want to go out and seek funding for such a small amount. But what I would do, it seemed like a repetitive cycle. I would get a client and then use the product, and then I'd have to go buy the product again. For example, I'd have to buy more cans of air. I went through a lot of those just because getting dust out, you can't really use a microfiber towel in the little cracks and creases of a keyboard, but the dust can work much better. So I would do that, then I'd break even, and it was hard to make a profit. And it kind of kept going like that the whole project, and I was not able to earn a positive income just because the cost of the tools that I was using. The other loss that I could have calculated into the cost was gas and mileage put on my vehicle. For the convenience of the customers, I decided it would be best to travel to their house versus have them bring their computer to me. And since I don't have a set up business location, it just seemed more professional to do an at your service kind of thing. And the time traveling and oftentimes the gas mileage wasn't included, so I considered that a loss as well. Going forward in the future, our projection for growth is I would like to hire 3 independent employees, and I feel like that's when real growth will start to happen, where we'll start to make a positive profit and not just continue to cover our losses. At the current rate, maybe $5 was made, but like I said, that was used in gas to get to and from customers' houses. When I hire 3 employees, I'll raise the cost of the keyboard cleaning and triple my clientele for the first year. We do expect to triple our profits. I decided to make some first year goals here. Just for the first year, once I hire those 3 employees, I would like our annual sales to be 30,000. Number of customers, 1,500, which should be easy. This doesn't go by business, but rather individual. So say we get contracted with maybe a call center and it has 500 computer keyboards. Obviously we would work a deal, but that would count as 500 customers, not just one for that one location. And then also the average dollar sale would be $20 for cleaning, and then we would add $10 for traveling to the location. That's $20 for one keyboard. And then our business projects for success that we are looking forward to doing would be to have a loyal clientele who rate us high and share our values, have a working car for advertising and driving, to cleaning locations that grabs attention with our company logo. And then we definitely do want to build a strong team of employees that is interested in running the business themselves one day and take over. Thank you for listening. This is Clean Typing by Letty Rosedal.